Welcome and thanks for joining us at EMII.com. I'm Chris Dignam with your Capital Markets Report. Today is February 20th, 2009. To aid funding of $9 billion of additional spending, India plans to use cash raised from the sale of so-called stabilization bonds. According to Bloomberg, the conversion of the stabilization bonds into government securities may help the government avoid new debt sales. Bond yields climbed to a two-month high last week on concern that rising supply will reduce demand for the securities. Staying with capital markets news, Segro and Brixton are considering the possibility of rights issues. According to the Financial Times, the move comes after investors wiped £850 million off the value of property stocks, fearing some companies will be unable to raise new equity. Brixton is also planning to sell off assets to raise capital, in addition to issuing new equity. And in more capital markets news, billionaire Carl Icahn has purchased 1.61 million shares of Lionsgate Entertainment. According to Bloomberg, the move has raised Icahn's stake in the Hollywood movie studio to 12% from 11%. Icahn is increasing his ownership of Lionsgate as the studio reduces production to decrease costs. And in other capital markets news, Freddie Mac has raised $10 billion by selling three-year reference notes in its largest debt offering. According to Bloomberg, investors offered to purchase 30% more debt than was sold, and about 75% of the debt went to U.S. investors. The notes, which mature March 23, 2012, were priced to yield 2.24% or 88 basis points more than three-year treasuries. And that rounds out today's Capital Markets Report. Thanks for joining us on EMII.com. For more details on these stories and much more, click onto our Capital Markets channel online and read the full stories and the latest developments.